What's up, Chemical Guys family? Today we have a special treat for all you Euro fans. This is a 1990 BMW M3 Warsteiner Edition race car. Now, as you can see, it has a lot of crazy graphics on it and decals, and we want to show you how to properly maintain it because a lot of you guys who have wraps or any kinds of other special decals know how hard it is to maintain them and keep them from peeling and fading. So today we're going to be using some wrap detailer, and this is a quick detailer that removes any kind of light dust, debris, bird droppings, water spots, or anything else that can land and embed the actual vinyl or protective decal, and it's going to start deteriorating over time. So this is going to clean it and protect it in one step. Now we can start down here on the hood. I'm going to spray it in a fine mist. And I'm going to give this a chance to emulsify and trap anything that's on the surface because we definitely don't want to scratch any of these decals or graphics. And I'm going to be using a green microfiber towel. And I'll place it on the vehicle. And I'm going to start by gently wiping it, but I'm also rolling the towel. This way we have a fresh edge all the way down the hood. And this way we're not grinding into that dirt into the paint job or into the decal, but you can see it picks it up nicely. Do the same thing, we'll do it straight lines. This way we don't create any kind of swirls. And now we're cleaning it and protecting it in one step. Now what's great about wrap detailer is it's also adding a rejuvenating coat to the decal. This way it'll keep it from discoloring or fading. But it gently picks up any dirt, fingerprints, anything that you could actually collect while you're driving. And this is great for if you just got back from a cruise or if you're heading to a show, you want your car to look its best. So you gently pick up any of that dirt and debris. This way you can have that ultimate shine as well as some protection. And it makes your car look great. So obviously with a name like Wrap Detailer, it works for wraps, but you can also use it on your painted surfaces. You can use it on glass because as many detailers know, one product that does more than one job is ideal. So you see sprayed on the glass, it picks up bird droppings, dirt, water spots, anything that's basically on the surface. And then it buffs off for that high shine. And there you have it. Now you can see the glass has perfect clarity. And one last thing is you can also use wrap detailer on your wheels. Now this BMW has HRE painted wheels, and all you have to do is simply spray it on the surface. We'll give that a chance to trap any of those abrasive particles of brake matter or any kind of road grime. This way we don't damage the wheel. And I'm going to be using the same green towel because it's gotten sufficiently dirty. And usually when you use a black towel, but I'm going to show you on a green towel just how much stuff it's actually picking up. Starting at the top, and we'll wipe our way down. This way we don't get filth in areas we've already cleaned. We'll reveal that high factory shine. You can see there's just that brake dust or whatever else was on the surface. So obviously this car wasn't in need of a full detail. We could have washed it, but it's not really that dirty. That's why the wrap detailer comes in handy for light jobs like this one, or if you're heading out or parked somewhere where you just want your car to look just right. So if you guys want to know more about this product, go to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this car or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.